Most pool service companies waste hours every week because they're using the wrong software. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best software isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you schedule faster, manage routes efficiently, and get paid without chasing customers. In this video, you'll discover the best software for pool service companies in 2026, which businesses they're best suited for, and how to choose the right platform for your operation. Let's get straight into the rankings. For many pool service companies, Skimmer remains one of the most specialized options available. Unlike general field service software, Skimmer was built specifically for pool professionals. It helps technicians log chemical readings, capture service photos, track maintenance history, and generate customer reports automatically. If John manages 150 weekly pool accounts, Skimmer can significantly reduce paperwork and improve customer communication. But here's the problem. Some companies need more than service tracking. They also need advanced scheduling, invoicing, and team management. That's where Jobber comes in. Jobber is one of the easiest platforms to learn and use. It offers scheduling, estimates, invoicing, payment collection, and customer management in one place. For small to mid-sized pool businesses, it provides an excellent balance between simplicity and functionality. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is another strong option for growing service companies. It includes online booking, automated reminders, payment processing, and customer communication tools. Many owners appreciate how it helps reduce no-shows and keeps customers informed throughout the service process. This is where most people fail. They focus only on scheduling and ignore route optimization. If your technicians spend too much time driving between jobs, profits can disappear quickly. That's why FieldPulse deserves a place on this list. FieldPulse offers dispatching, technician management, customer tracking, and workflow automation. For businesses managing multiple crews, these features can create significant efficiency gains. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between all these options. For larger pool service companies, ServiceTitan remains one of the most powerful platforms available. It offers advanced reporting, dispatching, revenue tracking, and operational analytics. Owners who want detailed visibility into every aspect of their business often find tremendous value here. However, it usually comes with higher costs and greater complexity. So which software should you choose? If you want pool-specific features, Skimmer is often the top choice. If you need a simple all-around business management platform, Jobber is hard to beat. Housecall Pro works well for growing service companies focused on customer experience. FieldPulse is excellent for team management and operational efficiency. And ServiceTitan is best suited for larger businesses needing advanced reporting and scalability. The bottom line is simple. The right software can save hours every week, improve customer satisfaction, and help your pool service company grow faster. If you found this ranking helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the software you're considering for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.